Good morning, guys, and happy Saturday. I just wanted to get on here and talk about our natural resources because I recently took a trip to the woods, which honestly isn't uncommon for me. What was uncommon for me was the extent of the damage done to the areas that I went and visited. And there was no excuse for it because it wasn't a natural phenomenon. It was people that had gone around on the riverbanks and in the woods and literally dumped garbage everywhere. Dirty diapers, tents, clothes, literal trash. I will show you the video I took at another time. But how dare you go into our natural places and treat it like it is a trash heap? It is not. And it's not for you to ruin. If you're that kind of people, shame on you. You're disgusting. You have no right to go and throw your trash in our forests and our streams. You don't have the right to destroy what was put there for everybody to enjoy. There's no enjoyment going around looking at other people's trash. What gives you the right to decide to go and dump your trash in our forests and streams and on the beach and anywhere else you see fit? There are dumps for that. There are garbage cans and dumpsters. You don't have a right to leave your junk everywhere just because you are lazy pieces of garbage who decide that you don't want to clean up after yourself. And if it's hard for you to clean up after yourself, then don't be there. Because I am telling you right now that a lot of people are very unhappy about that. And if we catch you doing it, it's a huge fine. You don't have a right to destroy nature. It's not yours. It isn't. It isn't yours. It belongs to everybody. But who wants to go there when you decide that it's a trash can? Nature is not your trash can. It isn't. Stop being garbage people, literally. Pick up after yourselves. Haul the shit that you bring in back out. It's not like it was packed in far. It was less than a quarter mile from the roadway. And apparently this was one of the very popular spots. You ruined my whole experience because it wasn't important enough for you to pick up after yourself. And I'm sure a lot of other people feel the same way I do. You're disgusting. And you deserve a lot worse than what I'm giving you. I hope you get your comeuppance.